Now, let's move into our next segment, the next big thing. Today, we'll be talking about an insurance giant that has been in the Indian market for years now, Bajaj Allianz Life. To shed light on their marketing campaigns and journey, we've got with us the Chief Marketing Officer of Bajaj Allianz Life, Mr. Chandramohan Mehra. Hi Chandramohan, welcome to Kiska Brand Bajega. Chandramohan, you've had an expansive journey, so far. So could you shed light on some of the pivotal moments, in your journey that has now led you to CMO at Bajaj Allianz Life?
It's been an exciting journey. I started my career with advertising industry. Along the journey, I also had a good fortune to work on a different new age dimensions of advertising and marketing. After advertising, I've switched on to marketing. And within marketing, I worked at India's some of the largest, most respected financial brands. And this journey led eventually to Bajaj Allianz.
Lovely. I think marketing has always been following you throughout your journey. So that's wonderful. So now, can you tell us what are some of the vision and mission of Bajaj Allianz Life, and how is that reflected in your various marketing campaigns?
We believe that we are in the business of enabling life goals for our customers. Now, this is at the heart of whatever we do. So in terms of our product constructs, our sales narratives, our various tools and assets which we equipped our business teams with, they start with understanding the customer's life goals. A lot of this is embedded in our marketing stories. So we are constantly looking at ways on how can we keep understanding the changing life goals of the customers and how through our products and services we can keep fulfilling that. So that forms the core of the business, and it eventually gets translated into a marketing communication so that we are all on sync in terms of across touch points, all converging to fulfilling life goals for our customers.
Lovely. So, talking about life goals, your tagline essentially being, life goals done. Or be it, partnering with different influencers and celebrities, they do provide certain aspirational aspect to your entire marketing campaigns, right? So can you tell us what have been certain campaigns that you all have done in the financial literacy space or to spread awareness about insurance, and what insights have you gained from those campaigns?
One of the consumer challenges when it comes to the insurance sector is the perceived complexities. Can you imagine jargons like revisionary bonus, sum assured? It sort of puts off consumers. And one of the starting points for us has been how can we de-jargonize, how can we simplify the communication. Now what we have been doing is at several levels. For example, we had a video dictionary. So we shortlisted some 67 keywords. Eventually, customers find it very extremely difficult to comprehend. So we have a video dictionary, and we leveraged influencers to simplify and communicate this in the simplest possible and the shortest possible duration. So we have this short 1-minute videos. These are available in multiple languages. In addition to that, we keep on leveraging influencers. For example, we use Ayush Shraddha to simplify several insurance and investment concepts. Then there are other things which you keep doing it. So one of the ideas is, what can we do so that we don't smell of life insurance?
Lovely. I think what you said, so that we don't smell of life insurance, it's so important, because it's always, like you said, so jargonizing. So to demystify that entire thing. And I think coming towards that, one of the campaigns that you all did, Plank for Aces, showing gratitude towards our ISRO scientists, it also helped bring in a lot of customer engagement for you all, right? So how necessary do you think are such initiatives and campaigns? And how do you think such initiatives actually go ahead to contribute towards brand equity?
See, the Plank initiative, we believe, is one of our marketing acts that brings alive our purpose. And our purpose is enabling fitness and good health across cohorts. And we started with this plank initiative when we were launching one of our health products, which was, the idea was how do we amplify one of the features of the product, which was about, it covered 36 critical illnesses.
Oh, wow. Okay.
The idea was how can you build engagement, because people would want to flaunt, they want to flaunt their capabilities. And if it is linked to a good cause, why not? So we said every time you plank will contribute to curing heart disorders for underprivileged children. That was the first challenge, and it received a massive response. We had people across cohorts, even the competition CEOs planking that point in time and tagging others. So it built huge engagement. Now that has moved beyond a product-centric initiative. Now it is very associated, it's sort of become a brand property for us. The plank has become synonymous to the brand. Then the second year we did that, is plank for India. So every time you planked, we supported budding Olympians.
Lovely. Okay.
Then we moved to thanking Indian Armed Forces coinciding the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Yes.
So that is, we moved the initiative to a larger cause. So every time we plank, we said we, in partnership with a specific body, we were contributing towards reskilling of retired jawans.
Okay.
This year, of course, ISRO, of all its outstanding accomplishment, that was the mood of the nation. And this is coinciding again the 75th, 26th Republic Day. So we said you plank and you express your gratitude and appreciation, deep admiration for the ISRO scientists who got India to the moon. They are the real aces, real heroes of India. So it is a combination of things. At the core of it, you're trying to impact brand love. And that is one of the most important matrices for any brand.
So now when we look at tradition, right? Tradition and values that are very ingrained in any brand. So what do you think are some of the greater traditions that you all are trying to pass ahead at Bajaj Allianz Life?
See, Bajaj as a brand is synonymous with trust, solidity, and reliability. The idea is to keep these core values intact while we keep the brand relevant to the ever-changing consumer and the technology landscape. We are constantly trying to do things so that we remain relevant to the consumer across cohorts of audiences and cater to unmet need gaps. So that has been the core of, while you keep the values intact, but we keep building relevance across cohorts of audiences.
Lovely. Now heading to our next segment, we'll have a quick rapid fire round, right? So just quick questions. What's the first word, first sentence that comes to your mind? So how do you think is the current landscape of the insurance industry?
Customer-centric.
What is your biggest competition that you feel for Bajaj Allianz Life?
Customer inertia and the perceived complexity associated with the life insurance category.
One word that you would use to describe your marketing strategies.
Enabling life goals.
What is something that personally keeps you energized and motivated throughout your journey?
Passion for long distance running.
Lovely. So now looking back at your career, what is some advice that you would like to give to future marketing aspirants who would love to make their mark in the BFSI sector?
4 things. One is build a solid understanding of business. Second is be curious, be constantly curious, be exposed to as much as you can, and the source of that knowledge or content could be travel, music, movies, theaters. Third is build understanding of the new emerging technologies. Fourth is have passion outside work. This will keep you alive and young forever.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much, Chandramohan. It was truly a pleasure chatting with you today. A lot of interesting insights, that we're actually taking back with us. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Thank you.
With this,